Have your legs been feeling weaker lately, like they just don't support you the way they used to? Maybe you pause at the bottom of a staircase, worrying if you'll have the strength to make it up without stopping. Maybe you sit on the edge of your bed in the morning, bracing yourself before standing because your legs feel heavy and unsteady. Or perhaps you find yourself getting winded halfway through a simple walk, the kind of walk that once felt effortless. My friend, if this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of people over 60 live with this same struggle every single day, convinced that it's just normal aging. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? What if I told you that your legs can still be rebuilt, your energy restored, and your steps made strong again, and that the solution doesn't lie in expensive supplements or painful workouts, but in 3 simple cups of tea? Yes, tea. It sounds almost too simple, doesn't it? But both modern science and centuries of cultural wisdom agree. The right teas can do more than warm your body. They can help repair it. Certain teas contain natural compounds that fight inflammation, improve circulation, restore hormonal balance, and even rebuild muscle strength. They work gently but powerfully, without the harsh side effects of medications or the crash of artificial energy boosters. And here's the best part. These teas are safe, affordable, and easy to prepare in your own kitchen. Today, I want to share with you the 3 most powerful teas for seniors who want to regain strength, stability, and independence: ginger turmeric tea, ginseng green tea, and ashwagandha root tea. By the end, you'll see why these aren't just drinks. They're daily rituals of healing, hope, and renewal. Let's begin with the first, ginger turmeric tea. This golden drink is far more than a soothing cup on a cold morning. It is a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse. You see, one of the biggest reasons seniors lose leg strength isn't just weaker muscles. It's the pain, stiffness, and swelling that come with inflammation. Joints ache, muscles feel sore, and even light activity leaves you exhausted. That's where ginger and turmeric step in. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of nature's most studied anti-inflammatory compounds. Curcumin actively reduces the swelling in joints, protects muscles from breaking down, and helps tissues recover after activity. At the same time, ginger contains gingerols, natural compounds that stimulate blood flow. Think of your muscles as hard-working machines. They can't run without oxygen and nutrients delivered through the blood. When circulation slows down, fatigue and heaviness set in. Ginger helps restart the flow, sending nourishment straight to your tired muscles so they can perform. Together, ginger and turmeric don't just mask discomfort, they restore your body from the inside out. Imagine climbing stairs without wincing, or walking around the block without that dull ache in your knees. That is what ginger turmeric tea can offer you. The beauty of this tea is its simplicity. Slice fresh ginger root, add a teaspoon of turmeric, pour hot water, and let it steep. A pinch of black pepper enhances curcumin absorption, while honey or lemon makes the flavor more inviting. In just 10 minutes, you've prepared a healing tonic that works daily to ease stiffness, fuel circulation, and lift your energy. Many seniors who make this tea part of their morning routine report noticeable changes within weeks. They don't wake up with the same heaviness. Their joints feel more cooperative. Their walks feel lighter. And science backs this up. Studies consistently show that ginger and turmeric reduce inflammation markers in the body, making movement less painful and more possible. This is why athletes use them for recovery and why traditional households in India and Asia have trusted them for generations. And now, you can too. But strength isn't just about reducing pain. It's also about having the stamina to keep going. That brings us to the second tea, ginseng green tea. If ginger turmeric is about calming inflammation, ginseng green tea is about igniting your energy. As we age, fatigue becomes one of our biggest enemies. Even if your muscles are strong enough, the energy to use them can fade. Ginseng has been called the root of life for centuries, and for good reason. It restores vitality at the deepest levels. Ginseng is what scientists call an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body handle stress. Aging itself is a stress on your muscles, your joints, your heart. Ginseng helps your body adapt, easing that burden and giving you resilience. Research shows that it improves oxygen use in muscles, which means more stamina, less fatigue, and greater endurance. Imagine walking the grocery aisles without needing to stop and rest, or playing with your grandchildren without feeling drained after a few minutes. That's the kind of difference ginseng can make. Now add green tea to the mix, and you have something truly remarkable. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins that protect your cells from damage, slowing down the aging process at the molecular level. It contains L-theanine, which sharpens focus while calming the nervous system, giving you smooth, balanced energy instead of the jittery highs and lows of coffee. Together, ginseng and green tea form a powerful partnership. One strengthens the body, the other sharpens the mind. And that matters because motivation begins in the mind. When you feel clearer and more energized, you naturally want to move more. Movement rebuilds muscle, and muscle restores independence. Ginseng green tea doesn't just wake you up physically, it wakes you up to the possibility of a stronger life. Making it is simple. Steep green tea leaves or a tea bag in warm water for a few minutes. Add a slice of fresh ginseng root or a bit of dried ginseng powder. Let it steep and enjoy. Drink it in the afternoon when your energy tends to dip, and notice how it lifts you without crashing you later. Seniors who drink ginseng green tea daily often find themselves more active, more alert, and more motivated to stay moving. Clinical trials have even shown measurable improvements in lower body strength and fatigue reduction. And when we look at real-life examples, we see people like Jackie Chan, still performing physically demanding stunts in his 70s, crediting ginseng tea as part of his wellness routine. You may not be jumping across rooftops, but you can absolutely feel the same gentle push of energy in your everyday life. Finally, we come to the third tea, ashwagandha root tea. This one is less about immediate energy and more about long-term renewal. Ashwagandha is another adaptogen used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years to restore balance in the body. As we age, our stress hormone cortisol often stays elevated. High cortisol breaks down muscle, increases belly fat, disrupts sleep, and leaves us feeling anxious or drained. Ashwagandha helps regulate cortisol, calming the nervous system and sending a message to your body. It is safe, it can relax, and it can repair. This is crucial because muscle restoration doesn't happen during the day, it happens at night while we sleep. If your sleep is shallow or restless, your muscles never get the chance to rebuild. Ashwagandha tea promotes deep, restful sleep, ensuring your body has the recovery time it needs. But its benefits don't stop at sleep. Ashwagandha also supports testosterone balance, which is essential for maintaining muscle tone in both men and women. Studies show that seniors who take ashwagandha regularly see improvements in muscle strength, balance, and stamina. It also supports nerve function, improving the communication between your brain and your muscles. If you've ever felt shaky or unsteady, it may not just be weak muscles, it may be weak signals from your nerves. Ashwagandha strengthens that connection, giving you more control over your legs. Imagine waking up not groggy and weak, but refreshed and ready, your legs steady beneath you, your steps confident again. That is the gift of this tea. To prepare ashwagandha tea, simmer dried root or powder gently in water for 10 to 15 minutes, strain, and drink warm. Add cinnamon or honey if you prefer a sweeter taste. Many seniors drink it in the evening for relaxation, but it can also be taken in the morning for calm energy throughout the day. Either way, consistency is key. Make it part of your daily rhythm, and watch as your stress eases, your sleep deepens, and your strength quietly returns. Now, imagine weaving all three teas into your life. Ginger turmeric in the morning to loosen your joints and spark circulation, ginseng green tea in the afternoon to energize your muscles and mind, and ashwagandha tea at night to restore balance and repair while you sleep. 3 simple cups, 3 moments of self-care, 3 pathways to renewed strength and independence. This ritual doesn't just heal your body, it nourishes your spirit. Each sip is a reminder that you are not finished, that your body is still capable of renewal, and that aging does not mean surrender. We've seen this proven across cultures and research. In Japan, elders who drink green tea daily are more likely to maintain mobility into their 80s and 90s. In India, turmeric and ashwagandha are staples of lifelong health. Western science is now catching up, confirming through trials what tradition has known for centuries. Even legendary athletes and centenarians point to these teas as part of their daily strength. You don't need to be a world champion or a movie star to benefit. You only need the willingness to begin. So my dear friend, if you've been feeling weaker, slower, or less steady, don't accept it as your fate. Don't let anyone tell you that independence is behind you. With something as simple as a cup of tea, you can take your health back into your own hands. Ginger turmeric tea to calm pain and spark blood flow. Ginseng green tea to energize your muscles and sharpen your mind. Ashwagandha tea to balance your hormones, restore your sleep, and rebuild your strength. These aren't just teas. They are tools of resilience, tradition, and hope. Drink them daily. Move a little each day. Believe that your body still wants to fight for you. Because it does, and you deserve to feel strong again. If this message has touched you, I invite you to like this video, share it with someone you love, and subscribe to the Seniors Hub. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next science-backed health tip designed just for you. Together, let's walk strong, live strong, and prove that even after 60, life can be powerful, steady, and full of energy once again.